In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to your Windows 11 desktop. This is an incredibly useful feature for those who mainly use Google Calendar for managing their schedules but prefer the seamless feel of a desktop application. So whether you're a professional trying to stay on top of multiple meetings or a student trying to manage your coursework efficiently, having quick access to Google Calendar right from your desktop can save you a lot of time and effort. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 computer. Popular choices are usually Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Head over to the Google Calendar website to access your calendar directly. Once the Google Calendar page is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now here's where the magic happens. On the top right corner of your browser window, you should see 3 vertical dots. This is commonly referred to as the menu or more options icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Scroll through this menu until you find the option that says Install Google Calendar. Depending on the version of your browser, this might also appear as Install as App. Click on that and a pop-up will appear, prompting you to confirm this installation. By confirming, Google Calendar will install not simply as another browser tab, but as a standalone application that you can open directly from your desktop. It's a fantastic way to bridge the gap between online and offline functionality because it provides convenience with just one-click access from your desktop environment. Once you've confirmed, the browser will automatically close the pop-up and initiate the standalone app mode for Google Calendar. You will now see Google Calendar opening as an independent window on your desktop. Navigating through it should feel very familiar as its functionality remains the same as the web version. To make things even more convenient for you, you might want to pin this newly created Google Calendar app to your taskbar. Simply right-click on the app's icon in the taskbar and choose Pin to Taskbar. This step ensures that you have immediate access to your calendar whenever your computer is running. And there you have it, a fully functional Google Calendar integrated into your Windows 11 desktop environment. With this setup, you can effortlessly check your appointments, add events, and manage your schedule without having to open a browser first. Plus, it keeps your desktop neat and organized, eliminating the need for more browser tabs. I hope you found this guide useful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.